Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are solving problems with a problem related to TEKS 3.5a, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a farmer, and the farmer's market starts with 680. So what the starting number is going to be very important. And then this number line shows how much the farmer has at the end of the morning. So we have a starting number at 680. We need to use this number line to figure out what the ending number is. But take a look at the number line. So we've got arrows. We've got one arrow moving to the right. And we've got another arrow starting at a different spot, moving over here to the left. So we've got two different directions. So the only number that we know for sure we're starting with is 680. So if we find 680, it's going to be between 600 and 700. We can even get more close than that. It's greater than 650. And so this looks right here like this is going to be our 680. So since that's the starting spot, what the first thing we're going to do is we're going to see what happens from 680. Now there is a line that moves from 680 and there's an arrow and it moves to the left. Okay? And when we are moving to the left on the number line, we need to be thinking, are we adding or are we subtracting? Well, the numbers are getting smaller. Look where this arrow ends. It ends between 450 and 500, so we'll call this 480. So if your numbers are getting smaller, that means you're going to subtract. And so let's take a look at these sentences because there's two sentences or there's two different ones in each, two different phrases. And you see all of them have 200, okay? So that's the first thing that happens. Something happens with 200. But are we going to sell them or are we going to add them? Well, three of them said sold. But look at D. It says 200 apples are added. Well, if I'm going to add apples, that's moving this way. And that's not what's being shown. So the 200 apples are not being added. They are being sold. Okay. So that leaves me with A, B, and C left. Let's look at what happens next. We're at the 480. We can see the difference here, right? We can see that the 680 minus that something is going to equal 480. We don't really need to line this up because we can tell, look at the 80 and 80 are the same. The only thing changing is the hundreds place. So 600s minus 400s, that's going to get us that minus 200 that we found. Okay. Now, let's take a look. We're starting at 480 and look at the direction of the arrow. Now we're moving to the right and we're going to end up at 600. So we're going to add something. Okay, so 480 plus something is going to get us 600. Now, if we didn't have any of the answer choices there to look at, how could we figure out what this is? Well, we could count on from 480, but that would take a long time. Let's think fact family. You can always write the addition the other way. It doesn't really help you, but the other two sentences from the fact family are going to be subtraction. So 600 minus blank equals 480. Doesn't really help you. This one does, though. 600 minus 480 equals our unknown. So let's do this vertically. 680 minus 480. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And this is 60 minus 48. I'm going to go ahead and need to regroup there. So I took 100, broke it up into 10 tens. I left 5 hundreds. Those 10 tens now minus my 8 tens give me 2 tens. I've got 100 left. So there's my 120. So I'm adding 120, and I'm adding because I'm moving to the right. Now let's take a look at our answer choices, see which one talks about adding. So they all have 120. A says, and all of these work because we're selling the first 200. If we're selling another 120, that would be like this. This would be minus 120, moving in the same direction as the first one, so that's not going to work. And if we're donating, it's like we're selling. We're taking them away. We're just not getting any money for it. So that also is going to be subtract. And look at this, 120 more apples are brought in. They're being added. So our answer is C.